the ice go? Come closer, let's find out. Welcome to Ice Science Lab. Open the freezer door. Look inside. Ice, ice, ice. So cold. Take it out, put it on the table. Sun is shining, what will happen? Drip, 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 it's melting. Where does water go? In. What happens next? Freeze. Take it out and it melts. Everybody, freeze. High out, melt. Drip, drip, drip. Freeze. High out, melt. Drip, drip. Let's do it again. Pour water in, close the door. Wait, open. Wow! Ice again. Freeze! Freeze! High out, melt. Drip, drip, drip. Freeze! High out, melt. Ice, water. Ice, water. Ice, water. Ice, water. Ice, water. Ice, 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 ice. Shh! Look what's inside. A toy? A fish? A dinosaur? Can you guess? Let's melt the ice and see. Freeze, high out, melt. Freeze, freeze, high out, melt. Freeze, freeze, so cold. Melt, drip, 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 drip. Ice Science Lab. Let's go! Drip, 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 drip. Ice. Drip, drip. Bye-bye, ice. See you next time. Ice Science Lab.